In this video, you'll learn how to install your new curtains from the Curtain and Blind Company. Check you have all the parts required to complete the installation. In each pack, you should have top fix or face fix brackets, face fit bracket caps, a track joiner if your track is split, extra pinch pleat runners, and your track and hand wands. Let's start with a top fix installation. Position 2 top fixing brackets approximately 150mm from each end of the track. We recommend fixing them approximately 80mm in front of the window, but this should be assessed on what is appropriate for your room. Mark on your ceiling the correct position, then drill your holes and fix the bracket into the ceiling using the provided screws. Position and fasten the remaining bracket evenly across the ceiling. If installing double curtains, position the next row of top fix brackets 100mm in front of the rear brackets. Once you have fixed your brackets, it's time to attach your track. If your track is over a certain length, you'll need to use the supplied joiner to connect the two sides. To do this, slide the joiner piece halfway through one length of track. Then, slide the second length of track over the exposed half of the joiner. To insert the track into your top fix brackets, simply secure the back of the track between your ceiling and the top fix bracket. Gently press the track into the bracket until it snaps into place. Lastly, reserve your second runner on your track for your hand wand. Finally, it's time to hang your curtains. To hang S-fold curtains, simply start the hanging process on the stacking side, with the edge of the curtain pointing towards the window. Use the hooks on the back of the curtain to loop through the curtain runners. To achieve the wave effect with S-fold curtains, make sure the waves are of even depth in front and behind the track. If some waves look shallow, then gently push that fold backwards so it creates a deeper wave at the rear. Every track runner should have a dedicated hook on the curtain. Try to be careful, as missing a runner can cause the curtain to hang unevenly. To hang your pitch pleat curtains, use the hooks on the back of the curtain to loop through the curtain runners. If you require more runners, simply unscrew the end cap of the track and load in as many as you require. The last step will be to dress your curtains. Stack together your curtains, making sure all the pleats are uniform from top to bottom, and use your dedicated curtain wrap to hug the curtains. And that's it! You're ready to go!